Welcome to our tutorial on how to remove an Instagram account from your account list. Hello everyone, I'm Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. You are logged into multiple accounts in your Instagram and you want to remove them, but you have no idea how to do that. Then make sure to watch this video till the end. At the bottom you're gonna find different options. Head towards the profile icon of yours. Just long press on it and you're gonna find different accounts that are in your Instagram list. Now how to remove them? This is a very easy and quick process. Firstly, what you need to do is head towards your profile. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner you can find three bars. Tap on it. From here you have to select the option of settings. Open it. Now go to the option of security. Go to the option of save login info. Now you have to toggle off for this option of save login info. Tap on remove. After you toggle off this option, go back, scroll down to the bottom. You can see the option of logout. Tap on it. Tap on logout. After you log out of that account, you're gonna land to another account. Now all you have to do is apply the same process for this account as well. After you do that for all the accounts, you're gonna land to this kind of page. Now what you have to do is at the top right corner, you can find this settings icon. Tap on it. Now open the account that you want to remove from Instagram list. Tap on remove profile, tap on remove, and now you are good to go. You can apply the same process to remove other accounts as well. So this is how you can easily remove an Instagram account from your account list. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.